Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of Sublime Text in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for Sublime Text in your preferred search engine. Go to sublimetext.com and click on download link. Select the Linux version direct download. Choose Linux distribution for your system and click on the link. Wait for the download to complete. Now open the terminal and go to Downloads folder using cd command. Use the ls command to check the downloaded package. Type the installation command, sudo dpkg -i, then Sublime package name and press enter. Provide your password and press enter. Wait for the installation process to finish. Sublime Text is installed successfully. To check the installation is success, type the command subl -- version. The installed version of Sublime Text will be displayed. To open Sublime from the terminal, type the command subl and press enter. Sublime Text is now launched. You can create new file from File menu and open projects from Project menu. Now to open the Sublime Text from the menu, go to Menu, and search Sublime. Now click on the Sublime Text menu.